Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Sony WH-1000XM5 to PC Instant Link step by step clearly. First, turn on your Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones. Press and hold the power button until you hear a voice prompt. Ensure Bluetooth pairing mode is activated. On your PC, go to the taskbar and click on the Bluetooth icon. If the Bluetooth icon is not visible, search for Bluetooth in the Windows search bar. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Bluetooth settings, ensure that Bluetooth is turned on. Click on Add Bluetooth or other device. Choose Bluetooth from the list of options. Your PC will search for available Bluetooth devices. Wait for your Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones to appear in the list. When they appear, click on them to initiate the connection. You may hear a voice prompt confirming the connection on your headphones. Once connected, the headphones will show as connected in your PC's Bluetooth settings. To test the connection, play audio on your PC. Adjust the volume on both your PC and headphones for optimal sound. If you encounter any issues, try turning the headphones off and on again. Ensure they are within range of the PC for a stable connection. You're now ready to enjoy high-quality audio with your Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones on your PC. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.